Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Smart Tech Expert YouTube channel. Today we would like to present Pakistan online visa system POVS. The government of Pakistan, Islamic Republic of Pakistan recently launched a simplest and fastest way to submit a Pakistan visa application online. Now in this video you can get the tutorial how to get e-visa through online visa system. We will describe step by step process to initiate your e-visa from living in any country and get any type of visa from this tutorial. So let's start. If you have already subscribed my YouTube channel Smart Tech Expert, then it's okay. Otherwise click on subscribe button and also click on notification like button. So in future if you we would upload any type of videos related to the citizens facilitations from the government of Pakistan, so you can get more benefits from this video tutorials. So let's start. Okay, dear viewers, this is the portal visa.nadra.gov.pk deployed by the Ministry of Interior under Working and Government of Pakistan. Here is the initial attention message from Visa Department that please note Government of Pakistan in collaboration with NADRA have introduced service of online visa for Pakistan. Online applications for Pakistan's visa can only be submitted. Only this portal is the eligible to get your online application. We do not have any collaboration with any website. Be aware that government of Pakistan does not take responsibility of any misuse of provided data or any loss of payment made on any other website for Pakistan visa. So this is the only portal developed and designed by the National Database and Registration Authority under Ministry of Interior. So be aware of any fraudulent websites that is working for to get applications and payments from different foreigners to issue regarding the issuance of applications. Okay, as per the instruction of government of Pakistan from 1st January 2021, all visa applications are to be submitted via Pakistan online visa system. Here is the different type of categories. You can get tourist visit visa, visa in your inbox, family visa, business, work, medical, study, and other religious and official diplomatics. Okay, let's start tourist and visit. Firstly you would get information regarding about the criteria, so how to apply and how to upload document, photo guides, and different type of information. Let's click on this icon. Here is the complete end-to-end process regarding apply the visa through simple steps, so you can follow this step. Let's start on main screen and check the process on main application system. Here is in below you can register yourself, fill application, pay online, get visa. Here is the different visa categories available. Okay, apply now. Here is the apply now button. Click on this. You can reroute it on e-visa facility. Here is the simplest. Okay, if you have already account on this, then click on this login button. Otherwise you can click on new account button. uh, Here you can follow step 1 and then email verification of our step 2. I have already created the my accounts, personal accounts. So let's start. Here is my email address and passwords, and here I can enter the captcha code K6. Be a simple. Let's start. And initially you can read carefully terms and conditions, different types of facilities, and then accept and continue. Here you can click on accept and then continue. So here is the 4 icons. Number 1, new applications. You can process existing applications, you can downloads, contact us. Okay, in this below table you can get previously submitted application. So let's start your first application, new application. Okay, new application. Please select the document you want to apply for, park visa or exit visa. Park visa for entrance initially, and then we will process for exit permit. Okay, what is your nationality? For example, if you select Australia is the our nationality, start your applications. So here is the process. uh, uh, Number one is the application information, number two personal information, family information, finances and employment, travel history, visit visa, documents, review, and then lastly payment. Okay, what type of visa you selected? Okay, here is the family, and here is the national medical and different type of things, and tourist visa. Then subcategory, what is the individual greater than 6 months, individual less than 3 months, individual up to 6 months, less than 3 months. You can select less than 3 months. Then application type, entry, and then a visa type is the single entry. And here you can enter your reference visa number, reference passport number, and a visit purpose. Okay, tourist, and then allow 3 months where you can get a award visa. Then we can select Australia and select your mission, select your entry from Islamabad airport, and departure is also from Islamabad. So you can complete this profile, your personal information, then family information. Okay, after this family information, you can select your finance and employments, accounts related informations, and lastly you can select previous travel history. You can select user visit information, documents, photographs, and reviews. And review, after reviewing the, you can process on proceed to payment system. On top of that, you can get different type of information regarding downloads information. For example, if you feel if you want to watch the fee related information, then visit fee. Here is the different type of fees available information on different international currencies. For example, if you want to tourist visa, then category is the individual, and then entry in single level, application type is a single, and application country is the this one. And calculate your fee. Your fee is the individuals for less than. Here is the application applicable fee, tourist, and less than 3 months, entry Australia, and $60, only $60 you can pay and get online facility. So here is different type of help, how to apply, how to upload document, graphs, photographs, application guides, import terms, FAQs, references. And you can also contact with the Ministry of Interior, NADRA, official body, to implement the e-visa system within Pakistan and for foreigners. Here is the different type of visa for specific information. You can select this facility and call this number. Otherwise, business works and monetarian and tracking system, visa related activities, you can contact on this number. And journalist and dini madare, study culture, Afghan origin visas, you can contact on this landline number to get information. If you have want to visit any office, then foreign mission list and local offices list also available on this portal. Hope you would like to my video. Please like my video and also subscribe my YouTube channel Smart Tech Expert, where you can find more videos and tutorials regarding visa facility and passport issuance and other activities. So thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.